As a flexible thermoplastic polymer, ABS is used in various applications, from automotive components to consumer goods. However, working with ABS is not as easy as you might think. Today, let's take a closer look at ABS CNC machining. The challenges of ABS machining mainly come down to these four aspects. Precision ABS machining complexity. Common defects in ABS plastic machining. Surface quality challenges. Tackling distortion. Prototool has years of experience in ABS machining, and we've gathered the following machining tips. Opt for machine-grade ABS plastic. Select appropriate cutting tools. Fine-tune your cutting parameters. Employ an appropriate coolant. Perform annealing. So, after mastering excellent machining techniques, what products can CNC machining factories produce using ABS? The following table will provide you with a detailed answer. For further information about ABS materials or ABS machining technique for your parts, feel free to click the link in the video description to reach out to us.